All right, so we'll go ahead. We'll show you another lifetime deck armor system today. I think this one's 3 years old. 3 years old, I believe, right? Why is annual cleaning and spot touch up from Kong Armor? Why is it so vital of a service, right? It's a blessing. It's not a curse. It's a blessing, right? Let me show you. Beautiful deck system. This color is called, if I'm not mistaken, this is a clone of rock, of a color called rock, if I'm not mistaken. But it's 3 years old. Beautiful. The outside of it's beautiful, right? But every year, decks, regardless of what they're built out of, so they can be composite, they can be wood, they can be vinyl, they can be whatever. It doesn't make a difference. The material doesn't make a difference, the protective film. There are things that happen to them because they're lived on structures. This deck system has some stains on it that will not come off. Would not matter if our film was here or if this was a composite plank. It wouldn't make a difference. This stain would be here. Okay, same thing here. There's some type of stain here that won't come off. It's likely it could be some type of resin from these trees. It could be rust from these gutters. It could be anything, right? But here's the benefit that Kong Armor customers have. This is why I say it's a blessing. Everybody's like, oh, it has to be cared for. That's what you want. They got you so twisted up in your head that you're running around. These deck owners in Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky are running around and purchasing thin residential deck paints and stains to protect their deck that have no continual care or anything like that. And then a year later they're in replacement. You want a coating system that's industrial grade, that has care with it, right? Look, we can come out. Our coating system is so easy to spot touch up. I'll spot touch this up for them and it'll blend right out. We can have this spot touched up for them in about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. While we're here, we'll go around, build the system a little bit thicker in areas. We might do an hour of service here and their deck will look brand new, right? That's what you want. If they had a composite system here, keep in mind, there's no deck builder or anybody that's going to come out here and swap out stained planks for them, right? You have to leave behind this idea that there's lived on structures, that there's outdoor structures and things. There's solutions to them that don't require care. That's not reality, right? They got you so twisted up in your head that you're chasing that, right? But that's not reality. That's fairy tale stuff, right? That's a fairy tale, and that's something that a lot of deck owners will chase their entire lives. They'll spend 10s, 20, 30, 40. I've seen them spend up to 100 grand chasing that. And I'll look at them and I'll say, why don't you just apply industrial grade coating that has service and has warranty with it? Have us come out and wash your deck once a year and spot touch it up. Why don't you just do that? I don't want it. Well, yeah, it's got to be cared for. That seems like a mistake to me. And then they'll go and they'll write a check for $30,000-$40,000 for composite. And then when they call the composite guy, the deck builder, the next year, and they say, hey, there's nicks on this stuff. It's got stains everywhere. One of the planks is busted up and chipping. I need you to come out here and swap these out. And they look at him and say, sorry, man, we only build decks. And look, they stopped making that composite plank anyways, right? Like, you want us to come out and replace all your composite or something, we might be able to help you, but it's not something we're interested in, right? Kong's customers don't deal with that type of stuff. Kong's customers, they got the drop on everybody in the Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky area. Their deck systems can be easily and quickly resolved annually, on average less than an hour. Cleaning, less than an hour of touch up, and that Kong's absurdly tough. Look, I walk around and show you guys deck systems constantly, every day, where the coating system is there. It has a nick in it or it has a stain in it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. You guys have got to lose this mentality. that there is some type of substrate or material or this type of thing out there that's going to beat this dude, that's going to have victory over this dude, or have victory over massive foot traffic and this type. No, we've got industrial grade coating that will put up with it and can win and can stay in the ball game and can stay in the fight. It's game, it's ready to go, it's going to be there. But all things have to have annual maintenance. With Kong, we do it for you. You don't have to do it. It's done for you. The coating system comes with professional care. You win. You don't deal with all this nonsense that everybody else deals with, right? KongArmor.com. We'll get them touched up if they want the touch-ups this year. If they don't, maybe they'll do them next year, right? No big deal, whatever. KongArmor.com. See you.